Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Now we're talking about Lyft bonuses. So Lyft is introducing bonuses because, like we were reading earlier, Uber got all the drivers that they need, right? But Lyft is still struggling to get drivers. So what are they doing? They're giving out driver bonuses. You want to read this article?
Yeah, so some Uber and Lyft drivers question whether it's worth it as companies cut incentives.
Yeah. So a lot of drivers have been signing on, but 70% of them say that cost of living is the main reason. All right, you want to popcorn Izzy?
Yeah. I'm just waiting for it to come still. Okay, so Americans are feeling the pinch of inflation just about everywhere. So we're looking for options to help offset high prices.
Yeah.
For some people, that means gig work. NPR's Raquel Maria Dillon reports that has been an unexpected upside for companies like Uber and Lyft. So Salvador Sahagan used to be a chef in Santa Rosa. And after his taqueria closed, he started driving for Uber. So he said with the sign-up bonus, he didn't know if they somehow knew he was new, and that's how they entice you, and they give you better rides, but he was making good money at the start.
Yeah, that's what they do. They entice you at the beginning so that they get you to sign up, and then once they get you hooked, then they're hoping that you just continue driving. So this link actually, if you click the link below to get a Lyft driver sign-up bonus, if you want to get that new incentive, we do have a link below, and you can see it's going to vary based on what area you're in. This is in Orange County. It's $600 cash bonus. You have to give 160 rides in 30 days. So that's like over 5 rides a day. That's kind of like a lot, if you ask me.
I mean, if you're doing it full time.
Yeah, full time, you'll definitely hit that, yeah.
Yeah, but I feel like a lot of people start out just doing it on the side and then choose to make it full time after, rather than deciding from the start, oh yeah, I want to do Uber full time now. That's my job.
Yeah, exactly. So anyways, comment below, guys, what are your Lyft bonuses right now? Okay, let's move on.